Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. So in this video I want to show you some interesting feature in Windows 10 called the steps recorder. This feature is used when you want to record the steps so that you can share with someone. Sometimes it becomes so hard to explain to someone the steps to follow to do something in a computer. But if you're able to record those steps, then share the file, someone will be able to understand it much faster than when you just explain them using the words. So visuals are easier to understand according to me than when you're just listening to something without the practice. So I'm going to show you how to do that when illustrating how to change the screensaver of your Windows operating system. So first you're going to launch the steps recorder. You click in the search box, then type steps recorder. Then I'm going to start the recording of my steps. So click on start record. Then I'm just going to minimize it so that it allows me take you through the steps on how to change the screensaver in Windows 10. So I'm going to right click in the empty area of my desktop, then choose personalize. Then on the left side I choose lock screen. Then scroll and look for screensaver settings. Then I'll choose the screensaver of my own choice, so I can choose something like bubbles, or which is the best, I'll choose the 3D text option. Then when do you want it to be prompted or to start? After how long? When the computer is in idle state. So you can use 1 minute. Then there's this option of on resume display lock screen. So this one, it means when you come back to continue using the computer, it will prompt you to log in again before you continue. So I can do that. I can check that option. Then once you're done setting all these, you click on apply, then okay. And that is it for the steps for changing the screensaver of your Windows 10 operating system. So hopefully my recorder has been taking all the steps. So I'll just stop it and see what happens. So as you can see, it's going to open a window with some rules here. You can always cross check just to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Then below we have the steps for changing the screensaver of your computer. So if I wanted to explain to someone how to change the screensaver and maybe explain to them in a phone conversation, they're not able to take it or to understand, then this will be the easiest way to do it. I'll just send these steps. Like step 1 is so what happened. I right clicked on the desktop, then from the list you choose personalize. Then from personalize on the left, I clicked on lock screen from the settings. Then choose a screensaver. User left clicks in the settings. Then user clicks on screensaver settings. Here it's actually highlighted. It's a good thing. Then it also highlights this particular one. User clicked on bubbles. I changed to different ones, so I should be able to show that. Then I left clicked on the screensaver settings again. Then I changed it to 3D on the list item. Then user left click in the screensaver settings again to select the on resume option. So basically it's going to capture each and every click that you make on your computer, on the desktop or any window. So every selection that you make is going to capture all those steps. So with these, I think if you share with someone, it's easier for that person to understand exactly what you're doing than when you just explain to them in words. Visuals are easier to understand. So you can as well save this file where you want and share with with them. So I'll just save it on the desktop, then maybe give it a name, screensaver steps, and click on save. And it's very interesting. So that is it on how to use this steps recorder feature in Windows 10. Hope you like the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, then I'll handle it in my next video. Thank you for watching.